Doesn't matter where we go and destination unknown. I don't care where the motor stops, cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh I want it, let's go.
Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to beautiful Bavaria. Today we decided to go explore the nature wonder that is in here, because it's Epiphany Day, the Three Kings Day, and everything else is closed, and actually we are thankful that everything is closed, because look at this. Magical. The view couldn't be better. We stayed here a little bit, played with the drone and enjoyed the view, because it's absolutely stunning. The weather is quite nice, but I am used to Bali weather and I put up my warm clothes on. Look at this. Just enjoy the view with us.
It's gorgeous.
That is the Schliersee lake, and there is the little Schliersee town. It costs going up 6 euros if you want to go both ways, 10 euros if you are staying at a hotel nearby. Maybe they will give you a discount card for 1 euro each way.
So quiet and peaceful.
And a perfect view.
Here they have alpine roller coaster, very nice. A swimming pool if you're coming in the summer, and some playground. I think here in the summer is very beautiful and quiet.
Also in winter season, I think we are the most unlucky but also lucky to have this beautiful weather, because it was supposed to be the most snowy day and snowy week in Germany. Yeah, and they are all surprised, no snow. In December it was all covered in snow and it was all white and beautiful, but now no snow and 10 degrees.
But at least it's pleasant weather and we can walk.
Yeah.
Make some...
So from a minus we made it a plus.
Yes.
Let's go.
Be careful. So today is really the perfect day. Oh, fresh air. So you have, if you want to plan some holiday with your family and you are nearby, I would recommend it.
Yes, me too. Because it's extremely beautiful. I'm in love with this place. It's very nice sometimes to
Wait.
relax a little bit, take a walk, and enjoy the nature and take some fresh air, because living in very busy cities, this is very much needed.
Right.
Here.
Eskimo.
Yay.
You're beautiful.
Thank you.
Are you afraid?
A little bit.
Don't be.
First mission completed. Now going to see a waterfall.
And we have to park. Look on the sky, huh?
Yeah.
You can read this info.
Ha ha ha. It is so beautiful.
After all these steps,
Yeah.
we will not feel bad if we drink a beer today.